Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Aprilia SR 160 continues to uphold the brand's legacy of delivering high-performance scooters that blend style, agility, and advanced technology. This latest iteration of the SR 160 has been meticulously crafted to cater to both urban commuters and enthusiasts seeking a spirited ride. At the heart of the 2025 SR 160 lies a refined 160cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine. This power plant has been optimized to deliver a robust performance, producing approximately 11 PS of power and 11.6 Newton-meters of torque. Riders will appreciate the scooter's brisk acceleration, making it adept at navigating through city traffic and offering a thrilling experience on open roads. The engine's compliance with the latest emission standards ensures an eco-friendly ride without compromising on performance. The design of the SR 160 is a testament to Aprilia's commitment to sporty aesthetics. The scooter boasts sharp lines and an aggressive stance, complemented by vibrant color schemes that are sure to turn heads. The dual-tone seat not only enhances the visual appeal but also provides superior comfort for both the rider and the pillion. The ergonomically designed handlebars and well-positioned footrests ensure a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue during longer commutes. One of the standout features of the 2025 SR 160 is its advanced suspension system. The front is equipped with telescopic forks, while the rear features a monoshock absorber. This setup ensures a smooth ride over varying road conditions, effectively absorbing bumps and undulations. Coupled with 14-inch alloy wheels and grippy tires, the scooter offers exceptional stability and handling, instilling confidence in riders during sharp turns and high-speed maneuvers. Braking performance has been a focal point in the development of the SR 160. The scooter comes equipped with a 220mm front disc brake and a 140mm rear drum brake, supplemented by a single-channel ABS system. This combination ensures precise and controlled braking, significantly reducing the risk of skidding, especially on slippery surfaces. In terms of technology, the 2025 SR 160 is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information such as speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to sync their smartphones, enabling features like turn-by-turn navigation, call and message alerts, and ride statistics through a dedicated mobile application. Additionally, the scooter features an LED headlamp and tail lamp setup, ensuring enhanced visibility during night rides and adding to its modern appeal. Practicality has not been overlooked in the SR 160's design. The underseat storage compartment is spacious enough to accommodate a half-face helmet and other essentials, while the front apron houses a convenient USB charging port for on-the-go device charging. The fuel tank capacity of 6 liters ensures fewer stops at the fuel station, making it ideal for daily commutes. In conclusion, the 2025 Aprilia SR 160 stands out as a compelling choice in the premium scooter segment. It seamlessly blends performance, style, and modern features, catering to a wide range of riders. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on weekend rides, the SR 160 promises an exhilarating and dependable experience.